Guten Morgen. Okay, no, it's not even the morning. It's like freaking midnight. Going to midnight. Yeah, man. We're here. We're alive. We're alive. Healthy. Exhausted, but my leave started 2 o'clock today. And yeah, I'm gonna be home for the next 2 weeks. Or I'm not gonna go to work for the next 2 weeks. A week from now, I'll be on the way back from Joburg. From the Travis Scott performance, which is probably gonna be lit, and I'm still gonna drop a video on that. Yeah. It's just Sunday. I'm just gonna be resting, man. Chilling, just doing my own thing, learning here and there, forward testing, back testing, getting my notes done, really solidifying the way I trade and stuff. And whoa, so sorry. But yeah, man, it's just a lot of work is gonna be put in these next 2 weeks. Hopefully it's for the rest of the month that I get my extension, because being told that our leave days are gonna be cut off from the 1st of Jan, so we gotta take them. But an extension was asked for, but we don't know if that's gonna get approved or not. So I could be off till the 1st of November, which I don't mind, if I'm being honest. I'm just gonna be at home and just like resting and really like planning out more videos, just trying to become more structured with the videos. I'm gonna get back into piano tomorrow and guitar tomorrow. It's about time, bruh. I haven't been focused on music for the longest of time now, ever since trading took over. I mean, I did try streaming as well. I tried, but I got burnt out. It's up for me, man. I could slowly feel that I was losing. I'm sorry, man. I don't know what's going on with my nose. It's a bit cold, but anyway, I was slowly losing momentum. But yeah, because I don't really like to play games for that long anymore. Either it's because I'm too tired from work, or I'm just not interested in playing. So I'll be forcing it, and I never want to force anything. Like even with these videos, like even when I'm tired, I'm like, nah, I need to record. I didn't record yesterday, but like I'm here recording now because I just wanna keep showing up my progress throughout these next few months. Yeah, nothing really profound to talk about today. I did find out that a colleague wants to get demoted and work less hours, because workplace is just taxing, mentally taxing, and I could agree as well. I kind of felt that way last year, where I was like, nah, my lifestyle at this point, I kind of need that money, so I'm willing to like keep sacrificing for the next few months, possibly to a year. But I know like a year locked in is just a lot of time, bro. Where you can, because I started with ICC like August, and it's a month now. Let's say September was a full month, and now October is second month. We'll just say 1st of September. It's in a few days, but let's just say August was a full month. It's just a full month now. So September was done, now it's August. Second month learning. I'm still learning, but I feel like I'm at a point where like, okay, like my breakthroughs like on the way, bro. Like it's on the way. Like I'm not focused on so much on the money. I'm looking at the setups now, and I'm just backtesting, looking for confirmations, looking for my confluences, looking for the things that I need to be looking out for, and I'm seeing them. It's like, oh, okay, I'll take gonna trade this thing, or I'll take gonna trade this thing, or I'll put my stop loss here. I'm not using low time frames. I'm using high time frames, and I was like, bruh, the fuck. Like I should have been trading on the high time frames a long time ago, bruh. Because they hold more weight, like the 4 hour, 1 hour, daily even. It's like, damn. And especially the daily. The daily is, for me, okay, for me, the 1 hour is clean. Like I love the 1 hour. 4 hour, I don't really dabble with too much. But the daily in the 1 hour, bro, that's like the sauce, bro. But I feel like those three, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, sauce, bro. Find your structure and see where your entries are going to be. Yeah, I see the 15-minute, I see the 5-minute, I see that, but it's like, nah, bro. I don't want all that noise. Like, I just want to be, like, on the high time frames, like, you know, and hold my trades for days, like, proper swinging, bro. And I'm just chilling, because at first I did not know how to use high time frames, if I'm being honest. I didn't know how to use time frames, let me just say that. But now it's like, shit, now I know how to use it properly. And yeah, man, with my mindset and my mentality and everything, like growing up at the dawn of technology booming and stuff, like I'm kind of equipped to learn and adapt faster. So I'm pretty confident with my strategy and everything. I've been back testing. Yesterday I was back testing my mind today, like shadow back testing. But imagine, like, there's shadow training in your head. Now I'm also shadow training in terms of trading in my head. And it's like, yeah, like my profile picture, I'm gonna get that tattooed of Goku. He's just like meditating, but he's like levitating. Yo, that for me is so powerful, because it's like I'm so locked in. And funny enough, that's been my profile picture since, like, bruh, it's just him like folding his legs, and he's just shadow. He's just mentally like shadow, like he's just training mentally, and he's just locked in, bro. And that's how I am. That's my whole MO for. It's been my whole MO this whole year. It's like, nah, bro. Like I couldn't let another year go by and I didn't change anything. I didn't learn anything new. Like, nah, bro. I couldn't. I couldn't, bro. Like, especially when I went to CK Trinidad this year and I just saw the lifestyle there. I'm like, nah, bro. Like, I gotta really lock in, bro. Like, I gotta lock in. Lock the fuck in, bro. And I did. And 3 quarters later, obviously I don't have the money yet, but I'm rich in my head. I'm wealthy in my head. I can see it, and no one can really take that away from me. And I am just so blessed and grateful that God has given me this, and I'm seeing it through to the end. If like this part is not even, I'm just seeing it through. There's no end. Like I'm just seeing it through, and I'm not gonna stop until I win. And I'm gonna win and win and win. And this is like the come up season, bro. Like the breakthroughs on the way, bro. Like breakthroughs on the way. Like this week, obviously there's a whole US shutdown, but I don't know if that's gonna affect gold. It probably won't affect German 30. It's a good thing I don't trade major US pairs, but gold probably might be slow this week. But there is a setup I'm gonna show you, and on my back testing that I've been doing. Yeah, it's kinda raining. Oh, it's raining, so it's kinda loud, so I'm sorry. But yeah, it might be slow this week. So who knows? We'll just see how shit plays out. the markets play out tomorrow or this week. I'm looking to trade this week, depending if the setups are right and I see the right things I need to see, then enter. But yeah, man. I'm just so I'm grateful, man. I that feeling that I was trying to get rid of past years, like I'm behind, I need to figure out what I need to do. I found it. And I hope you find it too, man. I hope maybe you're not even watching these videos, you're not even a trader. You know, I'm geared towards being shown to traders, but I hope trading has filled in that void that you're probably feeling or felt, that I felt, because I was just lost, man. I was so lost. I didn't know what. I really tried with the music, but it just kept getting harder and harder, bro. And I didn't give up, but it's like I also need the money to go to these places to shoot content and all that and all that and all that. And I don't use that as an excuse, but it wasn't gonna make me money now. And like I said, like it's 2025 now. I've been doing this for 10 years now, and I haven't seen a dime from this. I haven't really seen progress with this, so I guess. And I was so scared to think that I'm giving up on my dream. I was so scared. I didn't want to let go, because low key I'm like, maybe this is not it. But I guess it still is the case, but the way I went about it was just not the way I was supposed to go about it. And God just showed me like, no, don't worry, I got you. Just do this, because this is your main purpose. Obviously, like, you know, to sustain yourself and live a life. Then that will just easily fall in place. And yeah, man, I'm just glad that I don't feel bad about not like leaving it to the side, because I feel like she understands. I'm gonna refer to her as a girl. My first wife. Oh yeah, like she understands that I need to, you know, do what I gotta do with the other wife, so then we all live together and we're all happy. I don't know, it's a dumb example, but yeah, man, I just feel that I don't feel as sad anymore. I have more clarity, you know, like, okay, I needed to take a break on this and not stress about it solely and focus on this, because this can change my life rapidly, will change my life rapidly, where I have more time to myself to be posting things about this. Because most of the people that be watching that be making music, they have got money, bro. It's just like it looks like they've got money. They've got maybe a label behind them, so they've got that stress alleviated where they can just focus solely on it. So yeah, I guess I had to be my own label. Shit, I'm sorry. I do it myself. But yeah. Anyway, it's time to break down these trades, man. And yeah, funny enough, also I did share the videos I've been watching to the colleague of mine. But ultimately, man, like she was telling me that family cousin or whatever is so stubborn about trading, and he doesn't want to work a 9 to 5. And it's like, bro, I get that you want to make money from trading. I get that this can change your life, but based off people who have millions and they're telling us, bro, do it this way. Yes, it might not be but some things are just, some things are just universal, bro. Like, some things are one size fits all. So like, obviously you need money to trade. So you can't be like, I'm not gonna work a 9 to 5. How the fuck are you gonna fund your account? Especially when you don't have money consistently flowing into, at least have your money ready to take those opportunities. So I told her, bro, tell him, hey man, he just needs to work a 9 to 5, bro. Like, if he could just dedicate himself for a year, bro, there's really not much. There's really no way that it could not work, or he won't see any progress. Because you don't want to stress about not being able to trade, because I've been there. blue accounts, I've seen opportunities and they left me, and the market doesn't wait for no one. So I don't want to ever be in a position where I don't have money to trade. I'm seeing the opportunities pass me by, A plus setups, and it's like, bruh, if I was only disciplined, if I only reserved my capital to fight another day, then I would have taken this opportunity and made back all the losses that I had lost. So, it is what it is at the end of the day. But yeah, still stuck with the plan. Still gonna save for the next 6 months. It's October now, so I've got October till March, and just putting as much money as I can into my account. I'm gonna pass this funded account that I know probably if the setup is this week, I'm gonna pause it this week, and I just generate money from there and just keep funding my account, keep funding my account, keep funding. So now I've been backtesting. That's why I even took it. Like, this leave is also not just to relax, it's just to work, but like keep testing out my strategy on the pairs that I'm trading. But I've been doing that now, and keep watching videos, picking up on things that I missed, take notes, really recollect myself, plan out my vision, see where I want to go, and not forget where I'm going, and just build that patience, So yeah, man, it really is ultimately the case. So yeah, just stack capital. Like I said, it's Q3 now, Q4, sorry, it's Q4. So it's October. There's no need to slow down now at all. You just gotta keep grinding and keep working, bro. And then yeah, that's ultimately it. I'm gonna break down those trades now, and I hope you have a good week. It's gonna be a good week. More videos are obviously coming out every day for the next, I don't know, for the foreseeable future. Because I'm gonna be looking back at these and be like, yeah, he really stuck through with it. I really stuck through with it. And these videos will probably eventually blow up even. Like, damn, he really did post this come up every single day. IG, YouTube. Eventually it'll go to TikTok. I don't know when. But I will post it on there. And then yeah, just keep posting every day. Then make content. So I made a backlog of everything, and then boom. At least I'm not stressed about, I don't have a video. This, like, I know I've got videos to hold me for the rest of the year and till next year. And yeah, obviously you guys will be seeing this, like, I don't even know, like, days or weeks after I've actually recorded them. But the whole point is I will eventually post things live, maybe shorts here and there, but yeah, maybe in live trades. But I'm also not gonna always talk about trades, man. I need to start talking about like myself. Yeah, like the things that I like, the things that I'm watching. I'm sorry, like my mind is just too consumed by trading, which is a good thing. I love it. I'm not complaining, but I still love playing Dragon Ball, Smoking Zero. I love watching soccer, especially when we win. Anime. Yeah, man. Yeah, I need to start talking about more of that other stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna start doing that more now. Show that side of me. I'm not just a robotic person that sticks to one thing, fixated on one thing. No, I need to start doing that. Yeah, even on my IG, I'm gonna start doing that. It's too much. Can't just be trading one way, like, bro. I'm not a whatever. I'm not robotic. That's what I'm trying to say. Jesus. But yeah. Yeah. Glad. Break down the trades, break down the setups that I've been seeing this week, and what I picked up on other ways to trade, and it's like, bruh, and it's been working so crazy, bruh, with the practicing I've been doing. I know it hasn't, I mean, yeah, it hasn't happened yet before testing, but the fact that I've been seeing it back like or before, oh jeez, I'm just losing my words, and it's been happening over and over and over and over and over on the 1 hour, on the 4 hour, on the daily. It's like, bruh, what the fuck? This is such a cheat code, bruh. No ways, bro. This is such a cheat code. Like, I don't understand how. I don't understand. I legit don't understand. I'll show you what I'm talking about. And it's like this ICC and adding this confluence, such a strong confluence, like a shooting star candle or a hammer candle, in conjunction with ICC, bro. On the 1 hour, 4 hour daily. Especially when price is trending and you just see that hammer, dog, bruh, it plays out so well. You see like minimum drawdown, bruh, like almost next to nothing. And I've been back testing on June 13 and gold, bruh. And it's like, what the fuck? If I just wait for that to play out, bro, I'm entering that trade of full force, bro. Like, I'm gonna have so many funded accounts. I'm gonna have so much capital because I'm so confident in this, bro. Like, I think maybe like once out of both pairs that it didn't work out, or I would have got chopped, then I would have had to re-enter again. But like, it's like once, twice max on both pairs, and this is across from like this year going into last year, bro. It's like, damn. This shit actually fucking works, bro. And it's like, and I saw it even this week. It's like, wait, man. I remember that. And I took them out. But it's fine. It's like, oh shit, okay. That is like, that is telling you, bro, enter. Because you, like, I'm moving now. Either you come with me or I'm gonna leave you behind. Like, sell or buy. Like, it's up to you. Your risk is it's up to you, but enter, dog. Letting price tell you what it wants to do. I'm getting too hyped now. I'm gonna make this video too long. But let me break down my setups of what I've been seeing, and then also the setups for this week. So yeah. Seeing live. Okay, bet, bro. So this is what I've been seeing. Like, if you can notice these, oh my god, if you notice these circles that I've marked out, those are all the candlesticks that will confirm whether we're selling or buying, especially in context with market structure. So if you can see here, like, price obviously indicated below this level, and it moved back above, made a higher low. Then it closed above this level of support where it broke initially with those buyers with the hammer. And what did it do? It just rallied. Here's another one, same thing, and then it rallied. Same one here, and then it rallied. But then I don't know how price should probably hit here. This 3,800 mark, and probably indicate. So I'm probably expecting it to indicate. But I did set an alert down here in case that it breaks below this level, because we know that sellers are in control underneath this level. But I could see here that it didn't really want to move down. But should it come back down, or should I see price close with a shooting star, then I'm probably going to look to sell till this level here. So I've been marking them out, seeing how I would have executed the trades. Price moved up, made a higher low. What did it do? Close with the hammer, boom. Entered here, bruh. 1 of 4s, crazy. Like, this would have been, yeah, 1 of 4. Just aim for one of 4s. I can maybe aim for 105s, but 104s are the most safest ones for me. But that's like minimum. So actually, let me do this. Let me set an alert somewhere here. Bro, I can't set an alert for shit. Yeah, it's a good thing I could set 2 alerts. No, so yeah, I just been playing around with it, bro. Like same thing here. Price made a level of support here. There's a hammer. It's closed. Would have entered here. Oh no, would have entered here. Because price. Okay, wait. Let me just start here. I'm just getting ahead of myself. I'm sorry, my charts look like junk right now, but it's because I was back testing this whole time. So here's another one. Hammer here because it has a price moved down here. Buyers kicked in, closed with the hammer, moved up. And then it came back again, closed another hammer. What did it do? Moved up. Could have held it for 104, 105, 106, whatever the case is. Then same thing here, but this would have been a quick scalp because here's another one. Moved down, pushed up. Came back down to that level again, moved back up again. So these work in context of where if price is retesting on a level of support or level of buyers or sellers, then these candlesticks have more power. But if you're just in a random place and there's no level of buyers or a prior level of buyers or sellers, like look for example, there's a shooting star here. I mean, you could have done it, but that wouldn't have been enough confirmation for me. But look, there's a shooting star as well. But then we in no man's land, so I would have been chopped because I would have bought, put my stop loss here, and then I got chopped. But you see, if it's in places of key interest areas where it moved down, okay, then it came back again to that level where it was before, and then it bought up. Because see, here's another hammer, but we're in no man's land. Here's another one, we're in no man's land. Another one, we're in no man's land. So it's not gonna really work if you're in no man's land. Even here, no man's land, because it's not at a level of previous buyers or sellers. So you see here, pushed up above here. I could have entered here still, but risky. Moved up, and it came back again to that level here. And it's like, no, buyers are like, nope, we are not. So we always gotta wait for the second time around. So the buyers are like, nah, bro, what are you trying to do? We're trying to move up. And then moved up. So there's another one. Then here, key interest levels. Remember, key interest levels is like here, here's a high, and then it indicated above, then it closed. That would have been my indicator. That would have been my, okay, now my indication is done. My indication correction is done. Now I'm entering because now we're going to keep pushing. And what time was this? This is 9 o'clock during London session. So gold still pushed up. Then it dropped a bit, but I would have been a little bit drawdown, but then it closed again with this. I could have entered again. Would have been a drawdown again, but I would rather just enter the first time. I wouldn't want to really add more to, like I would, but I need to work on that. I don't want to really work on, I don't want to add more entries and then it just eats into the initial profits that I had. So I'd rather just enter big the first time and then let it run, because there's really no need, because I got it at the first point. So yeah, so I'm not really sure, but yeah, we'll work on that. And then same thing here. So price moved up, it sold off. Then price moved up again to this level of sellers or resistance, closed with a hammer. Then I could have sold it down to the next level of buyers. Then that would have been that would have been a good trade. But see, I didn't mark anything else. Price was just ranging, didn't give me any candles that I really wanted to enter off of and stuff. And then here, remember, key levels where sellers are or buyers are, that's where you want to mark up these things. So here, for example, I could have entered off of this candlestick, but nah. So price moved to this level of buys. It's like, nope, move it back up. Sold off again. Then it closed with this hammer. So I could have set my stop loss. Okay, here I would have been chopped. But I could have entered here. Maybe set my stop loss here. Or maybe a bit further down. And then price would have bought up eventually. So, but this was a no trade zone, so I wouldn't have really done it. So here's another key. Here's more points now. Here's more points now. So price indicated from this level, because this was the recent high we had, indicated, then it corrected to a level of buys again, where it was ranging. Closed with the hammer, could have entered, boom, targeted this level, could have held from this point onwards, and then it came back above that level where buyers are in control. Closed with that hammer again, then could have entered again, indicated above, and then it closed with the hammer, sort of, yeah, so to speak. So once it closed, I could have just entered more positions if I missed this one. Set my stop loss below this candle that the hammer was there. Then would have corrected. I also would have been fine, because obviously it would have closed here. Then my stop loss would have been here, so I would have been in drawdown for some time. Then would have closed here, would have entered more positions. Then boom, price moved up because buyers are in control above this level here. So can you see it? Can you see this? This shit is just clockwork, bro. Clockwork. So price indicated above this level, then it came back down, closed with the hammer again. Then I would have put my stop loss beneath. Beneath that candle where that hammer closed, and then boom. This was like during London session, would have been in profits. Came back down, retest, boom, indicated again. Then here's another level. Okay, see where this hammer comes into play? This one, because it was at a key level here at this recent high we had, that new high where the indication was made. Then price moved up, came back to correct up to that level again, closed, would have entered again. So you see, bro, this shit actually works on so many. Bro, it works so many times. Like, I'm not even kidding. There's another one. It closed here because it indicated, then it ranged. I would have entered here, put my stop loss below this level of buys, and then price would have just been ranging for a bit, would have been in drawdown, but then eventually price would have kicked in, made momentum. I mean, the session would have kicked in with volume, would have been fine. And okay, I think this is where I stopped. Actually, I went for, yeah, I kept going. So price was ranging, indicated below that it wanted to be bearish beneath this level, closed with that shooting star, boom, target to the next level of buyers, which is somewhere here. That was a nice 104. Everything was clean, nothing too hectic. Same thing here. Okay, here it was just normal indication correction, and would have entered here on the 5-minute or 15-minute during, what time was that? Just, yeah, New York pre-market. But yeah, that would have been a good trade either way, but with this confluence it really helps a lot, bro. So you see, price is ranging here, indicated, corrected, closed at the shooting star, got a target to that level, nice 104, boom, would have been nice. Remember I could have entered any time, even if it was like after session or before session, but as long as that volume came in and then pushed price above. So price was on a bearish movement, then it stopped making lower lows, moved up, broke this high, closed with this candle, shooting star, confirmation that the price wants to be bullish above this level, would have entered, stopped below that level, price would have moved up, would have held that to the next level of sellers. Same thing, bro. This shit's just clockwork. Remember, key levels, there's a high, equal highs, close with the shooting star. Could have sold price either way, because price indicated here in any case. Then would have dropped, could have entered here still, then price would have dropped, then would have moved back up, then it didn't break this lower highs to indicate that it wants to reverse, then it still wants to be bearish, so could have entered here early, got that nice. If I missed that, could have entered during the volume and kicked in New York session, or here, set stop was above, but it would have been fine, bruh. Clockwork, bro. Price was bullish. Here's a shooting star, key level, moved down, buyers kicked in, moved back down again, buyers kicked in, closed at the shooting star, hammer, confirmation, boom, target the next level of high, next level of sellers, boom, bro. Easy stuff. Easy stuff, bro. And I've been back testing this on for most days, bro. See, level of buyers, keep pushing price up, close with that, could have targeted that high, nice 104. Now
like easy. Okay, price was choppy, didn't see shit. Price moved up. Okay, could have been risky because it moved up, closed here. I could have entered off of this still, moved up, but yeah, it would have been risky. Let's just keep going. I just keep finding them, bro. Like, look at that. Price indicated below this level of buyers. No more buyers here. It corrected, made a lower high. Closed beneath that level with the what? Shooting star. Would have entered, set stops, losses above here or here. Boom. Nice 104. Would have held that. Bro, I could have held the next level of sellers. Okay, here was kind of weird because there wasn't really sellers here, but still would have been a nice one if I could have closed that next day. I probably would have just said stop. See, yeah, just aim for 104. If I don't see any stop level of sellers, okay, maybe there where price had level of buyers still. So yeah, so that would have been a nice 107, bro. Nice 107 trade. So if I don't see it come back to hit these price levels, it's fine as long as I find the next level of buys where price moved down and then price just bought up sporadically, rapidly, whatever the word is. And then yeah, bro, see, it's just been backtesting. This is just on gold, bro. Same thing happened with German 30. Price indicated below, corrected, didn't want to correct too much, made a lower high here. Could have entered off of this candle, boom. Would have entered, so stop loss above there. Target the next level of buys, which was here. Bro, look at that, nice 108. Bruh, come on, bro. Okay, price indicated below, it's fine. This would have been just a normal ICC with no extra confirmation, but still, price is bearish beneath this level. Would have entered off this candle closure, boom, nice 111. Bruh, come on, bro. There's no ways that I fail at this point, bruh. Like, I'm not trying to be gassing myself, but there's really no way I'm gonna be failing at this, bruh. Like, I've got this down packed galore, bro. Look at that. Okay, price was bearish for some time, then it came back to key levels of buyers. Push stop here, heavy C, just pushed up heavy here at this level, came back down, closed with the hammer. What did price do? Bought up again, came back to that level, and then just bought up again. Could have held it, wouldn't have been like minimal drawdown maybe, but yeah, would have held it. Indicated above this level of sellers here, indicated, then corrected, then closed with the hammer. Would have entered off that candlestick. Price would have just continue moving up. See how it doesn't even give us that much drawdown. Price indicated below this level of sellers, took out the sellers, indicated and corrected, closed with a shooting star. Could have targeted that same level. So I would have traded it both ways, bro. Okay, that would have been a 1 to 2. That would have been a 1 to 6. Nice easy trade, bruh. See, just keep identifying your key levels. This is also a hammer because price came here, shot up. Same thing here, but I don't really like these ones. Came here again, shot up again. I could have entered these trades because the key levels of buyers or key levels of sellers, then that's shooting stars. But yeah, same thing here. This video is gonna be long, bro. But yeah, bro, you get the idea. I'm not gonna show it on German 30 because it's more or less the same thing. So yeah, bro, came down here, bought level of buyers, boom, came back above here again, closed with the hammer, could have entered a nice 1 to 3. Yeah, could have been a 1 to 10, bro. Would have re-entered, and yeah, bro, could have targeted this initial one. I could have targeted way more, but all these orange circles that I've marked out are these candlesticks for confirmation, bro. All of them. Look at all these trades that I could have taken. I would have been 1, 2, and I would have been chilling. Maybe another one there. Here. That would have been my third trade. This is Feb. So three trades in Feb, bro. That would have fed me galore, dog. 3 trades in Feb. And then 1 trade in March, because price was fucking choppy throughout March. Would have maybe taken another one. 2 in March, bruh. Wouldn't have traded at all. Okay, maybe I could have traded this because price indicated above this level of buyers. I mean sellers. Sort of close with a hammer with this blue candlestick, but yeah. But yeah, man, that's it. That's basically the breakdown, man. It's just simple. I'm gonna take my notes just to solidify it. I've been back testing this on gold and German 30, but bro, there's really no way I fail at this, bro. Like, nah, bro. God really wanted me to have this, and I'm gonna take this with both hands. Okay, Okay, there we go. I want to see my sentiments for this week. Look at that. Look at that. It's probably going to close with this. We've got 30 minutes before this new candle closes here. And my phone's dying. See, it's probably going to close with this and then indicate above. So, bro, we're still bearish. I mean, we're still bullish on this. But yeah, I could be taking trades on gold this week. We'll see. And then, yeah. Peace.